we had dollar CNY peaking at 710, and that's basically where we got to in this cycle. And I think what was quite interesting as far as how the renminbi traded over the past couple of months is that it was very, very stable versus other emerging market peers. So when there was a lot of pressure on EM currencies, CNY was quite stable on an absolute basis and relative to other countries. And we've seen this type of dynamic play out in China before. And if we look back to 2008, when there was a big global volatility shock happening, China chose to explicitly repeg the currency to the US dollar for around a 1-year period. Explicit repegging now is extremely unlikely, but they still like having the currency stable when these big global events are happening because it helps insulate the domestic economy and it helps insulate the domestic markets. And if we look at how Chinese stocks performed during the worst portion of the crisis and how the Chinese bond market performed, Chinese assets did very well, and that was partly because the currency was acting as a stabilizing mechanism.
Right. So, Jason, finally, it doesn't worry the markets on what happens with the phase 1 execution, because we had the Customs Department also talk about how they feel the delay in the execution or implementation of phase 1 has been because of COVID-19, but they're seeing signs of positive developments and improvement there, and they are expecting that the import of agricultural products will start increasing. So from a market standpoint, this equation would seem balanced.
Yeah, I think so. I think there was always a lot of speculation in the market all the way back from a couple of months ago whether China's trade commitments would actually be enforced given the unique situation that was happening in the world. So if they are showing positive momentum in that regard, it should be sufficient. But that's okay as long as the U.S. is experiencing problems with COVID-19, and so is the rest of the world. Once that situation normalizes, the U.S. might be a little bit more willing to start enforcing some of the agreements that they had in the past.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.